po kasi may ipis po kasi. Hilawak Sanchez. Ayan.
I saw you dancing in the party.
Wala lang ako Thank you po.
You saw me, caught you by surprise.
Uy, grabe naman po yun. Thank you po. Thank you, sir.
I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. You take me back 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Oh, save your tears for another day.
Ayan.
Like when I'm nobody else, I couldn't help but put you to hell. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry, then I'll run away. Take me back 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your life. And you deserve someone better. Save your tears for another day. Oh God, save your tears for another day. I don't know why I run away. Gotcha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tears for another day.
Stay out of time next scene.
Save your tears for another day.
Next scene, out of time. Out of time. Hala, thank you po, Ate Maria. Thank you. Hi, Gablook. Nawala ulit ako nanood. Hala, thank you po.
The Weeknd?
Ate Maria, oo. Nawala. Hi, Nays. Miguel. Hello po. Welcome back. I choose? Anong scene on it? The Weeknd pa rin po ba? Save you, says for now.
Ano yan?
I actually don't know.
Ba't nakakita? Hindi mo pala alam. Hindi na alam yun.
Ate Maria, di ko alam pala to. Ito, tawa.
Ha?
Ito, tawa. Sorry po. I choose. Hindi ko alam yan. Alicia Cara, ano ko eh. Like, I know her songs, pero I don't know that. Ang alam ko yung mga Scars You're Beautiful.
Gusto mo nakita ng... Ginanong mo daw eh. Ginanong ko yung antena. Tapos lumilipad. Lumilipad siya. Tapos siya nagpa-pro siya rin sa kanila.
Yeah! Binata ko?
Hindi, tapa ako eh.
Tama nga tao doon.
Tapos parang gusto na
When ko ulit PBB. I don't know. Kahit ano na lang kantahin ko. Ano ba? Hindi ko po alam eh. May sipong po ako eh. Best part. Best part. Perfect, Nino.
Anong gagawin ko, Liz? Best part?
Yes. Here, come here. Here, come here, come here. Hi. Hi, baby. Up, up, up. Up, up, up.
You're the one that I desire. Dilig.
Tingnan ako yung pink.
You don't know. Kiss me slowly, stay. And it don't change if I had it my way. You would know that you are. Wala boses. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. What you give is said to me, give it all. Just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. You go and follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. You're the best part.
It's the sunlight and those brown eyes. You're
Thank
the
you,
one
Nina
that
Gillette.
I desire. When we wake up and we make love, it makes me feel so good. You're the one that I'm talking about.
People.
You're the Tylenol I take when my heart hurts. You're the sunshine on my life.
Thank you, Arvin.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, oh, you're the best part. Oh, oh.
If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? Isa pa. Someone you love.
I'll need somebody here.
Thank you, Ate Maria. Thank you, Ate Maria C.
I guess I could've loved the
Somebody
way.
to love.
Ha?
Someone?
Ay,
Someone to love.
someone to love pala.
Iba yung sa bad talaga.
Somebody.
Silip lang gab lumaga na to. Thank you po, Kuya Arvin.
Erwin!
Somebody.
Erwin!
Somebody to love.
Ano dito?
Someone you love pala. Yan. Yan yung pangatlo. Yung pangatlo. Yan.
Diba, someone to love. Someone.
Tara. Oof.
Diba na? Going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save. This old nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you know the pain.
And now the day bleeds into nightfall. If you're not here to get me through it all, I let my guard down, then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn. Babae.
This old nothing way of loving, I'm sleeping without. No need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to trust to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape.
Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms till the safe brings out till I come back around. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Thank you, Ate Maria.
Thank you po.
Uy, Miss Rhoda, hello po. Uy. Ano pa kanta? Balik na.
Hey Dad, look at me.
Pwede yun, no? Thank you po. Dan iting na pahingan na habang nasa inyo. Aww. Lock screen ni Bill? Gusto niyo ba makita lock screen ko? Thank you po.
Alam mo yung ano, Valerie? Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I like to cross the water.
Familiar lang siya sa akin. Sa siya.
Pwede ko, sige nga, pasensya ka, Valerie.
Ang ganda ng ano ko, case ko.
Valerie.
This is my case. And it's a bit like, I will censor this one. Ito yung sabi, oh.
Amy Wine.
Pero ito yung lock screen ko.
Yung pinaul.
Ayan, si Lou. Lock screen ko. Oh. Ay, madami ako dito lock screen eh. Pinapalit. Pero doon dito tayo. Pero ito yung lock screen ko ngayon. Ito. Ay! Yan. Siya po yun eh, no? Recent picture in my gallery. Ano siya? Call time slip. Call time slip lang siya dun sa ano ko. Screenshot ko lang.
Sige, ulit eh. Antayin ko ito.
Sige.
Ay, mo daan.
Yan lang.
Kinakanto ko ito ng bakit. Okay.
Really? Nawawala yung kuko ko. Ano yun?
Wala ka tatanungin dito. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. Ano ba? all the things of what you're doing. In my head, I'll paint a picture. Since I've come home, all my daddy's been me. And my miss your ginger and a real like to play. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Look, the boy.
You have to go to jail. Put your eyes out off the sail. Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch it then. I hope you found the right man who'll fix it for you.
Nag-iinapin ka po ulit eh.
Anywhere, there's your color of your hair, of your music. And you didn't have to pay to find that you would dodge it all the time. Still easy. You done that, But since I've come on home, well, my dad has been a mess, and I miss the dinner. Feel like a change. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Ano po yung ano? Filter to filter. Hindi ko po alam yun. I don't know that. Hindi na kasi ako active po masyado eh.
And I think all the things of what you're doing. In my head, I paint a picture.
Yung ginawa ng hobbies.
Since I've come home, well, my body.
Sige, gawin namin later.
And I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. But won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Sorry. Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Sino yun? Sino yan?
Valerie. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. Bakit siya ka na yun?
Live sa Pack the Pack. At Friday. Let's give it up for Luke James L. Forward. Aiden from Batangas City. 5'11".
Ano ba naman?
Bakit wala po kayo kanina? Ano po yun? By schedule po yung... Di nandun ako ngayon. Oo.
Ate mo, dali. Ako muna si Livia mo. Dali na. Natawa pa nito, no?
I truly wish in the past. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as it felt. And now you're in my way. I create some more wish. Reason that's for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stairs was holding real jeans. Skin will show me hot light. We was low. Think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. Here's that number, so call me, baby. It's hard to look right at you, baby. I hit the number, you know it, baby. Hey, I
sabi?
just met you.
Ilang beses pa lang kayo nagkita. Ayan,
Call me, baby. Hit the number, at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me, baby.
Sayo. Sige, sabi na.
You give me nothing at all, but yes, No one nga. No one. No one. No one pero no.
Holy shit.
Uy, siya pala daw yung nag-beat daw habang naglalakad ka.
Okay. Sa ABS?
I just want you close. We'll stay together. You and me together through the days and nights. But all I know is everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking. Mabagal remix version? They can say what they like. All I know is everything's gonna be alright. No one. Mabagal? Super ganda niyo po. Thank you. Mabagal? Remix version? Cover speed. No one. A. E. E. Oh my god. Where's the ball? And I tell you. Thank you, Isa. I just want you close. We can stay forever. You can be sure that it'll only get better. You and me together, through the days and nights. But don't worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like. But all I know is everything's gonna be alright. No one, no one, no one. Getting away of what I'm feeling. No one, no one, no one. Getting away of what I'm feeling. Yun na. Yun na. Ikaw na ba? Ayaw mo. Ikaw last song na. Hi, thank you po.
Maganda ka. Agos ka.
And my heart is hurting. Always be around. And there's no forsaking. You and me together, through the days and nights. And don't worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like. Worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. No one, no one, no one. Good night, Bob. What I'm feeling. No one, no one, no one. May ko si Tita. Getting away of what I'm feeling for you. You. Getting away of what I feel. I know. Some people search the world to find. Some people have lovely heart. I know. People will try to divine something so real. So to the end of time, I'm telling you, there is no one, no one, no one. That's getting away of what I'm feeling. No one, no one, no one. Getting away of what I feel for you. You. Getting away of what I feel. Yun na. Abi, until what
Hindi ko
time
nila song, no?
daw kayo as ni Ani ng Eka? Ay, until what time lang daw para na...
Ano ba?
Ano po, mag-e-end live na po kapag pagkatapos po ni Luko umanta ng last song. Hi, Sheng98. Yes, March 17. Kung tama po ako. Support niyo po si Lu.
Gusto na namin. Tayo konti na. Hindi, huwag mo na pa ito. Kasi. There was a time I was everything and nothing all at once. When you found me, I was feeling like a cloud across the sun. I need to tell you how you light up every second of the day. But in the moonlight, you just shine like a beacon on the bay. And I can't explain. There's something about the way you look tonight. Takes my breath away. It's the feeling I had about you deep inside. And I can't describe. There's something about the way you look tonight. Take my breath away. The way you look tonight. With a smile. For the deepest secrets from my heart. And when you found me, speechless, and I don't know where to start. And I can't explain, but it's something about the way you look tonight. Takes my breath away. It's the feeling I had about you deep inside. And I can't describe, but it's something about the way you look tonight. Takes my breath away. The way you look tonight. Teka lang. Kanta ka muna siya.
Ha?
Kanta ka muna.
Ang kakating. Request ka.
Yung Paramore na gusto ko.
Madaming parang more na gusto mo.
Last Hope.
Ha?
Last Hope.
Last hope nga daw. Ay, huwag na pala nag-sip. Pag na, ano na lang ako, kasi di ko nahirapan kasi ako na, wait lang. Ito po. Next yung ano yung mga hinaan mo yun. Ay, patayin mo na pala. I'm gonna sing Last Hope. Hintayin daw natin si Ate Eke eh. How are you? Are we okay? Sana maalala ko pa to. Hello po, pasensya na po. May masama lang po karamdam ko. Kaya punta imig ko. Yanig ba? Thank you, Liza. I don't know myself at all. I thought I would be happy. You know, now I try to push it, realize gotta let go of control. Gonna let it happen. Gonna let it happen. Gonna let it happen. So let it happen. It's just fine, but it's enough to keep it going. And it's dark out, no one's around. It keeps going. Going. Hello po. Tomorrow has a dream. Tomorrow makes it look Nagano po ang kante, na maganda sa post. Taas ng ano. I'm not trying to be anything. Not trying to be good. Just trying to be anything. Just tell me, are you too? Can you feel where the wind is? Can you feel it true? All of the windows inside the room. 'Cause I wanna touch you, baby. I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise on my skin, just me and you. Light it up on the run. Let's make love tonight. Make it fall in love. It's right. 'Cause you never be alone. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I'll hold you when things go wrong. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. Thank you, Liza. Roller rapids to find a wave that fades. Can you feel when the I feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise or just get dust. Me and you, I'll it up on the run. Let's make love tonight. Make it up. Maybe I'm lucky. I hold you when things go wrong. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. Parang mata.
Saan mo manta?
Sa naulo ko eh.
Siguro saan?
Yung ano, yung gross.
Ha?
Alam mo. Then,
Bakit?
ay no.
You say there's someone that you don't know. You need to go and find yourself.
Ay, e paano po?
You say they'd rather be alone. You're gonna see that it was better that we grew up together. Tell me you don't wanna leave, 'cause if change is what you need, you can try it next to me. When you're high, I'll take the lows. You can have it, I can fall, and we'll take as we go, as we go, as we go.
yan, no?
Ano yan?
Ano to?
Actually, bakit natin ginamit? Wala nang absent dyan.
Wala na ba absent?
Wala nang absent dyan. Ano?
Somewhere far away, I want you back. I want you back. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. All I have. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. And it hurts to know the other side is talking to me too, or am I a fool? Sit alone, talking to the moon.
Feel like a favorite talk of the town. Say I've got mine. Yeah, I've got mine. They don't know what I know, but when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
And hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool? Sits alone, talking to every night I'm talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool? Sit alone, talking to the moon.
Now you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. Ah!
Ano to? Uy, si Julius.
Ah, Julius. Friends, noise on my face.
There's anything
That's why I love her. Is in death. Won't you come and spend a little time?
Hi, Mary Jane. Hello po.
Ano ba kilala mo?
Si Thomas lang si Thomas. So,
Ano kilala?
Hindi ako makapag-gitara.
Nanay Jean. Thank you po.
Okay, last song po, last song.
Same. Lungkot din yan.
Last song na po namin.
Diyos ko po lahat.
No. Hello, song for Gab.
Is how you live, oh, take it all, but you never give.
Should've known you were strong. The first kiss had your eyes wide open. When they open, gave you all I had, and you tossed it in the trash.
Wide open, gave you all I had, and you tossed it in the trash. Tossed it in the trash, yes you did.
So give me all your love.
But you don't know the sin is I got you grenade for you.
Kabayin na last song na.
Last nito.
Grenade for you. I took front of a train for you. I'd do anything for you. I would go through all this pain.
Take a bullet straight
To my brain.
Yes, I would die for you, baby.
But you won't do the same.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Back in the
Lead me to the moon, tell the devil I see.
Where from you're from. Mad woman, this is what you are. Yeah, you smile at my face and ripped the brakes out of my car. Made you all I had and you tossed
Huwag
it.
na yan, mga dalasang natin ang lungkot.
Give me all you have, it. What you don't understand is I'll catch a grenade for you. No one do anything for you. No one join love for you. If no one do anything for you.
I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain.
Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. And if my body was on fire, ooh, I
You
would
watch me burn down in flames. You said you love me, you're a liar, 'cause you never, ever, ever did, baby.
darling, I still got your grenade for you. Do anything for you. You know I'd do anything for you. You know I'd do anything for you. I would go to all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. Ay, nasa na.
Oh, you'll do the same.
No.
Do
Go on with you.
Oh, you're gonna do the same. Oh, no. What did you?
Ay,
Ano ba masaya niya?
Huh?
Masaya.
Huh?
I wanna make you smile. Whatever you said. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. That's all I wanna do is go out with you. But I'll get your medicine when your tummies.
Maglasong na or all the time? Dali na, lasong na.
Lasong. Ito natin. Ay, bakit? May request po ba kayo lasong? Build your fire, furnace breaks on. It could be so nice, growing older. I miss you. I'll kiss you. Give me my call when you are cold. Ito na lang natin. Kanta ka ba?
No, kahit ikaw na lang. Layo po na nakaupo. Chiquitita.
Hindi ko naman yun. Elton John yun, di ba? Chiquitita. Hindi ko naman yun. Nikita, mami, Nikita yun. Chiquitita. Nikita Elton John? Tuhan ka. Lego House.
Gonna pick up the pieces and meet you in the house. If things go right, then knock it down.
Wala na pala. Build a Lego house. If things go wrong, it's up to me. There's one thing on my mind. It's all for you. So that's raging on now. I'm out of touch. I'll pick you up when you get down. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll give you the fuck you anytime. And out of all these things I've done, I love you better now. Now. And it's so hard to say it, but I've been there before. So I surrender my heart. It's one bit for yours. I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you get down. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll give you the fuck you anytime. Out of all these things I've done. Oh God, I think the grace is a breaking, and it's more than I can say. 'Cause I'm gonna go this summer, I'm gonna go to you before. Broken up and down, gonna keep you shut up from that soul that's raging on now. I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you get down. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll give you the fuck you anytime. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you get down. And out of all these things I've done, I will love you better now. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. That's our last song. Thank you so much. much po
Thank
sa
you po.
mga nag-support po sa live po namin. At thank you po dahil kay Hana.
Pinalagutan. Ito namin.
Sa live po namin. Saka po sa mga nagbaksak po. Thank you so much. Thank you po ako kala Mami Remy. Grabe, Mami Remy. Top po naman si Kuya Setter. Ate Maria, si Nina Lilet, si Ate Tin, si Joe 1224, Inky, si Sir Katoto, si Ninong Jack, si Momo Kasakin, Alexer, Queen B, Mami LB, Ate Clay, si Mama, si Ate Shirley, si Ate Pau, Sophie Orion, Mami Mary Jane, si Jensky, si Gabriel, si PC Beans, User, and many more. Wait lang. Thank you so much, everybody. Yan. Thank you po. Thank you, Ate Maria. We're gonna end the live na kasi uwi pa to eh.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Ingat po kayo palagi. See you next live. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po nung nag-drop. And syempre, mga boy, napakapalong-follow.
Yes, and the maker po, simple po.
And of course, Teen Flash. This March 17 na po ang screening. So, yan po natin.
Tsaka po TCO Barkadahan.
TCO Barkadahan every Saturday, 7:30 p.m. po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, guys. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po.
Bye-bye. Good night po.